waving at you. Take a look.
That's amazing. Check it out.
What's happening? It's all good. The werewolf's playing video games and chilling.
Ooh, this is so much fun.
And so's the movie.
Okay, boys, turn the werewolves off. It's a school night.
Okay, Mom. We'll finish it tomorrow night.
Not me, man. I got something tomorrow.
What, the willies, the heebie-jeebies, or the frights?
Huh?
What was that dark and dangerous sound?
A skater with excellent halitude.
All right, puppy, watch this.
Yeah! All right! Coming through!
Did he just snarl? Did he just howl? What's that about?
I don't know, but my puppy dar says that guy is my kind of dog.
Whoa, totally awesome. What other tricks you got?
I can double up my farts.
You and me both.
That guy looks really familiar. All right, puppy, watch this. Meaty?
Nailed it.
Chris and I are going to grab some sun. Can you put that away for me?
I thought we could, you and me. Ready for lunch, Meaty? I got our favorite, double beef and beans.
Burritos. Thanks, Lil Rob. Chris loves them.
Okay, that is so not cool. Supposed to meet Meaty here to practice some tricks. That new kid is probably here too.
That's a negative on Chris. Meaty's all yours today, see?
Perfect. Hey, Meaty, you ready?
Sure, but let me show you what Chris just taught me.
Chris taught you?
Let it rip, meat man.
Here goes.
Nailed it, buddy.
Hey, Little Rob. What's up?
Flips. You seeing what I'm seeing?
Looks like Meaty found a twin. All Chris needs now is a tail and some fleas.
What's Meaty seeing that guy?
That new dude can really catch a disc. Can you do that?
I'm saying there's something weird about that Chris guy.
I calculate that you're overthinking this. Let's think about the rest of that werewolf movie. It's beautiful.
Oh, maybe you guys are right. Hey, Meaty, curl up. We're about to werewolf it.
Sorry, Lil Rob. Chris and I are doing some night skating.
Guys, are you seeing this?
No way, man!
The eating, the tree thing, the howling? Don't you get it? Chris is a werewolf. And he's gonna drag Meaty into the forest and eat him.
Have you smelled Meaty? Who wants that in their stomach?
That weird kid Chris is a werewolf, and I'm gonna prove it.
How do you propose to do that?
I'm gonna do what friends do. Spy on him.
Your paranoia and jealousy of Chris gives me a chance to test my Spy Caminator 5000.
How's it working, Nader?
I had Jackknife place a flea cam on Meaty. Watch. Jackknife has doomed us. My chance to see a werewolf gone forever. Must have got stuck on my finger, man. Fortunately, there's a redundancy built into the system.
Huh. Now where's that puppy going?
Who are those guys? And what's Meaty doing with them?
He's at the werewolf clubhouse.
I don't see any werewolves.
What are you guys doing?
We're spying on Meaty so he doesn't get eaten by the new kid. What? Meaty? You're safe.
And you're right here.
You guys learn fast. Why are you spying on me, and who's going to eat who?
Chris is going to eat you. He's a werewolf.
If he's a werewolf, I'd be the first to know, right? I can smell another dog from miles away. Fresh tacos from the taco truck. Crisp lettuce, mango salsa. No werewolf. No werewolf there either. You guys watch too many movies. If Chris was a werewolf, do you really think he'd invite me to do some howling and skating with the full moon tonight?
We gotta save Meaty. No werewolf is gonna eat my puppy.
Let's do this. See a werewolf. I mean, save Meaty, of course. Definitely save Meaty.
So where do we look for a werewolf? Anybody?
The darkness cries out to us, and we descend into its very pit to rescue a friend and see a werewolf. How cool is that? I can't see any clues that will help us rescue Meaty.
No, but this does look like we're in a werewolf movie. All we need is a werewolf.
Where does a movie werewolf go when he wants to eat someone's best friend?
Sprawl City Forest! I smell burritos. This way.
I'll catch up. I always wanted a little bat as a pet. Itty bitty bat. Wanna come home with Daddy Emo? Maybe another time. Creatures of the night! My night vision goggles have revealed a shortcut. Follow me. Note to self, need extended battery life. Why is the ground harder than a month-old burrito?
Goggles, are you okay?
Keep going. I'm switching to emergency power.
Oh! Meaty, I'm coming for you! Stop! No werewolf's gonna eat my best friend.
A what?
A werewolf, and I know what you're up to.
I'm up to my 5th burrito.
He thinks you're trying to eat me.
Me? Eat Meaty?
Don't deny it. I know my werewolf stuff. It's a full moon, and that's when you change.
Thank goodness we haven't missed the werewolf.
There's no werewolf. We just chowed down on 5 burrito surprises, each.
And they were... Whoa.
Stand back! He's werewolfing! Goggles!
I'm filming it all!
Here's your proof. Chris is...
Wow, a double gas 360. I told you, Chris, 5 burritos is too much. We should have stopped at 4. Maybe 3.
But the howling and the climbing and the snarling. You're supposed to be a werewolf.
Sorry to disappoint you, dude. I'm just me.
And I guess I got a little carried away thinking you were taking my best bud.
No worries. I gotta get home before Mom and Dad.
Chris, where have you been?
Too late. My parents are here.
What?
What are you doing out here so late?
Just hanging with my new friends. Get this. They thought I was a werewolf.
Werewolf? Why, that's crazy talk.
Where would they get that from? Oh, you kids and your imaginations.
Sorry, guys. I got all caught up in my imagination. Definitely no more jumping to conclusions for me. Definitely. What? That kid, did you see him? He looks exactly like that Frankenstein monster guy.
Okay, Lil Rob, that's it. No more monster movies for you.
No, seriously, look at him.
Can you two stop eating like freak beasts?
We're just eating breakfast, Denise.
What's the problem?
Mom and Dad have seriously warned you about slobber, Meaty.
Sorry, Denise, but a dog without slobber might as well be a cat.
You want tacos? I got tacos. Soft shell, hard shell, turtle shell. We got them all at Freddy's Taco Truck.
Freddy!
Oh, tacos.
Mom! Dad!
Yellow, someone mind telling me why my best power drill was buried in the yard?
Sorry, thought it was a bone. You know, like a bone shaped like a drill.
You gotta take better care of your tools, Gene.
Ron, I can't find my new book anywhere. Have you seen it?
Is that my novel?
You really should switch to electronic books.
Who ate my Froyo Mama Froyo?
Sorry, I thought it was my dog food. Frozen creamy rich chocolatey dog food with caramel sauce and toffee bits.
You were shredding it today, Meaty. You nailed those tricks. What's up, family?
Robert, Meaty, we need to talk.
We enrolled Meaty in the Good Dog, Bad Dog Academy, so bon voyage, doggy. Bags are packed, buses outside, see you in one glorious week.
You can't put Meaty in a dog school. What can they possibly teach him that he doesn't already know?
It's not a school, Rob. It's an academy for dogs where they teach discipline.
What's discipline?
Never heard of it.
Sounds a bit newfangled and crazy, guys. Let's say we put this idea on the back burner and give it a little more thought later. So much for giving it a little more thought.
Dude, these dogs look crazy. I'm not crazy, am I?
After this bus ride, we'll both be.
Welcome to Good Dog, Bad Dog Academy, mangy mutts. I am your trainer, Schultz, but you can call me Sergeant Nightmare.
Hey, Nightmare Guy. My dog isn't really going to be able to stick around here. Seems like a bit of a crazy house, if you know what I mean. So if you don't mind, we're just gonna hit the road, cool?
Cadet, there is no fist bumping at the Good Dog, Bad Dog Academy. Now get back in line with your dog.
Me? In line?
You will remain with your dog for the entirety of this training mission. If your dog has bad manners, then by golly, so do you.
I might chew loud, but I'd hardly say I've got bad.
You will be obedient dogs. For the next week, you will not chew things. You will not drool. You will not bury objects or dig them out of the ground. Is that clear?
Were you talking to me?
Cadet Meaty, did you not just hear me say this is a no-chew zone? There shall be no chewing, especially in my shoes.
Sorry, I'll just, There, all gone. Oops, no burying. Oops, no digging. No burying. No digging, no burying, no digging. There you go. Good as new. What is this? Some kind of meatloaf?
I guess. Dig in, puppy. Ah! How did you eat that?
Dude, I'm a dog. I'll eat anything. I ate your mom's book, and I didn't even like the story.
Flips?
Hey, Lil Rob.
Easy, fellas. What are you guys doing here?
Mr. Sprinkles needs to stop doing ninja moves on my neighbor's cat.
The cat challenged me.
No one told me I'd have to stay too. And have you eaten the food yet? Ugh.
I tried to, but mine ran away.
Did I hear someone complaining about Mommy Schultz's meatloaf? All of you, drop and give me 10 doggy rollovers.
Look, man, you don't really expect us to get on the floor and...
Make it 20! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When I say don't chase, you say the mail truck. Don't chase. The mail truck! Don't chase. The mail truck! Cadets, heel. You will be obedient dogs.
Must fight urge to mail truck chase.
I'll get him.
Halt! There will be no skating.
Oh, the old beaver eat your skateboard punishment. Nice.
I don't want to see 1 ounce of drool, cadets. You will be obedient dogs.
Who wants barbecue? What? I'm not drooling. I know. Rollovers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I need to eat something, dude. All this hard work is making me hungry.
I could do with a little late night snack myself. Psst, Flips. We're getting a snack. You guys want to come?
No midnight snacks. I am an obedient dog.
Sit, lie down. Good doggy. I am an obedient dog.
Be a good dog. No chewing, chasing, or drooling. I am an obedient dog.
This whole place needs a sandwich and some fresh air.
On second thought, I'm not that hungry.
Rise and shine, my little bow wows. It's graduation day.
Oh, finally!
Whew, I never thought I'd see the day.
We're going home, puppy.
Well, cadets, I've grown to love many of you. Most of you will go out into the world and spread obedient dog behavior across this great land of ours. But for 2 of you, there will be no graduation.
Really? Were those 2 unlucky stiffs? Dude, I think it might be us.
As far as I'm concerned, neither of you even knows how to shake a hand properly.
You're right, Schultz. I don't shake hands. I do a little thing called a fist bump. And a little thing called a chest bump.
Stop the bumping this instant. There is no happy sunshine at Good Dog, Bad Dog Academy.
I am not an obedient dog. I'm a skater. Yeah, all right. Yeah. Hey, ooh.
Stop! Stop! They're all such good, obedient dogs!
Get ready for something I like to call a sloppy dog tackle.
Sit! Stay! Obey! No, I will not have fist bumping at my academy.
Give in, Schultz. You've had this coming for a long time. Ha ha! Congratulations, Schultz. You just graduated the Lil Rob Academy of Everything's Gonna Be Okay.
I am not an obedient dog. I hate Mama Schultz's meatloaf. Come on, everyone, let's dig!
Well, Meaty, I'd say our work here is done. Let's head on home.
I hope you two learned something at the academy.
We learned plenty, Mom. Now we know exactly what it takes to make someone really happy.
You want tacos? I got tacos.
Keep it in, Meaty. Don't slobber. You can do it.
We got them all at Freddy's Taco Truck.
Meaty!
I'll go get a towel and a taco.